Everyone thinks the best-selling Red Dot Magnifiers are automatically the best ones. But is that really true? If you look a little closer, the story is actually quite different. Product number 1, Vortex StrikeFire 2. Let's kick things off with the Vortex StrikeFire 2, priced at $129.98. This red dot sight really caught my eye with its multiple reticle options and impressive durability. If you want a reliable sight that performs well in various conditions, this is worth a serious look. Here's why this matters for you specifically. The StrikeFire 2 features a rugged design that's both waterproof and shockproof, so you can use it in any weather without worrying about damage. The fully multi-coated lenses deliver a bright and clear point of view, which means you'll have an unobstructed view of your target. Plus, with 10 brightness settings and 2 color options, you can easily adjust it for different lighting conditions, making it super versatile. With a 4.7-star rating from nearly 4,000 reviews and over 700 bought last month, it's clear that many users are satisfied with its performance. Now, some people complain about the battery life being shorter than expected. Here's the thing though, if you're regularly using a high-performance sight like this, it's definitely worth keeping a spare battery handy, and most users find that it meets their needs just fine. This is perfect for you if you're a shooter who demands reliability and clarity in a variety of conditions. Skip this one if you're looking for something with a more advanced, built-in magnifier. For the price, it's a solid value that delivers on its promises. Now, if the StrikeFire 2's battery life concerns you, this next one takes a completely different approach. Product number 2, Vortex VMX 3T Magnifier. Next up is the Vortex VMX 3T3X Magnifier, priced at $199. I love this one because it's a simple, effective way to enhance your red dot sight without complicating things. If you want to increase your effective range easily, this is definitely worth checking out. What sets the VMX 3T apart is its push-button flip mount that allows you to engage and disengage the magnifier swiftly. This feature is great for quick transitions between magnified and non-magnified shooting. With a field of view of 38.2 feet at 100 yards, you'll still have a good sense of your surroundings. Plus, it's compatible with any brand of red dot sight, making it super user-friendly. With a 4.7-star rating from 4,000 reviews and over 100 sold in the last month, it's clear that many are impressed. However, some users noted that the eye relief could be a bit limited for some setups. That said, if you're using it with a standard red dot, it should be just fine, and the advantages it brings make it a worthwhile investment for most shooters. This is perfect for you if you're looking to boost your long-range accuracy without sacrificing accessibility. Skip this if you want something that has a built-in sight, as this is specifically a magnifier. For the price, it adds excellent value to your setup. Alright, that was a solid option. But the next one on my list might actually be even better for those seeking advanced technology. Product number 3, Holosun 510C and HM3X. Now let's talk about the Holosun 510C and HM3X combo, which comes in at $514.99. I was genuinely surprised by how much advanced tech is packed into this set. If you want a top-tier, all-in-one solution, this one's hard to beat. The 510C features an impressive LED that allows for up to 50,000 hours of operation on a single battery, meaning less time worrying about dead batteries and more time focused on your target. The combination of a 3X magnifier with a reflex sight provides versatility that many shooters crave. With a waterproof design, it's definitely built to handle the elements. The ratings are impressive too, with a 4.8-star rating from 1,000 reviewers, indicating a high level of satisfaction. However, some users mention the price as a drawback, feeling it might be overkill for casual use. But here's the thing. If you're serious about your shooting, the investment in quality components can significantly enhance your experience and performance in the field. This is perfect for you if you're a dedicated shooter or hunter who values top performance and reliability. Skip this one if you're on a tight budget or just starting out. It's an investment, but for the features, it delivers tremendous value. Now, if the price of the Holosun combo feels steep, the next product offers a more budget-friendly alternative with solid performance. Product number 4, Vortex Micro 3X. We're moving on to the Vortex Micro 3X, priced at $299. This compact magnifier is lightweight and easy to use, which is what caught my attention. If you want to keep things simple while still enhancing your red dot sight, this is worth considering. The Micro 3X offers a 3x magnification that's perfect for increasing your effective range without adding bulk to your setup. Weighing only 6.9 ounces, it won't weigh you down. The anti-reflective coatings ensure clarity even in low-light conditions, which is crucial for those early morning or late evening shoots. With a 4.7-star rating and 964 reviews, it's clearly a popular choice among users who appreciate its performance. Now, a few users pointed out that the quick-release mount can be tricky to operate at first. I'll be real with you. It may take a little practice, but once you get the hang of it, it's a fantastic feature for quick setup and takedown. This is perfect for you if you want a lightweight, easy-to-use magnifier that still gets the job done. Skip this if you need something that pairs with more complex setups, as it's designed for straightforward applications. For the price, it offers solid value for enhancing your shooting experience. Now, if you're looking for an even more affordable option, check out our last product. Product number 5, Feyachi RS 30 Combo. Finally, let's take a look at the Feyachi RS 30 Red Dot Magnifier Combo, which is priced at just $119.99. This caught my eye with its multiple reticle system and built-in flip mount, making it a great budget option. If you're new to Red Dot Magnifiers and want to try one without breaking the bank, this is a solid pick. The RS 30 offers variable magnification from 1.5x to 5x, which is great for adapting to different shooting scenarios. With 5 brightness settings for its red dot, you'll be able to see clearly any time of day. The parallax correction and unlimited eye relief mean you'll have a comfortable viewing experience, which is essential when you're out in the field. It has a fair 4.1-star rating from about 1,000 buyers, indicating decent satisfaction for a budget product. However, some users did mention that it can feel a bit less durable compared to more expensive options. But honestly, for the price point, you're getting a lot of functionality and ease of use, making it a great starter option for many. This is perfect for you if you're just getting into the world of red dot sights and want an affordable magnifier. Skip this if you're looking for high-end features and durability, as this is more entry-level. For the price, it's a fantastic value for those starting out. To wrap it up, we've covered some fantastic options today. The Vortex StrikeFire 2 is great for all-around reliability, while the VMX 3T is perfect for those looking to enhance range. The Holosun combo packs advanced tech for serious shooters. The Micro 3X is lightweight and user-friendly, and the Feyachi RS 30 is a budget-friendly entry point. Whatever your needs, there's something here for you.